What if I told you that with just $100, you could start a business that changes your life? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. Successful entrepreneurs don't start with millions. They start with an idea, a strategy, and relentless action. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't money, it's how they use it. Right now, you might be thinking, is this really possible? Absolutely. And in this video, I'm going to prove it to you. I'll break down step by step how to take just $100 and turn it into a real, profitable business within the next 24 hours. No fluff. No gimmicks. Just real, actionable strategies that you can use today to start building your financial future. If you're tired of waiting for the right time and ready to take control of your future, then stay locked in, because what you're about to learn could change everything for you. Time to make a plan. What's the best way to turn $100 into a profitable business? The truth is, most people think you need thousands of dollars to start, but that's a myth. The real secret to success isn't about having a lot of money, it's about how you use what you have. With the right mindset, strategy, and a willingness to take action, you can flip a small investment into something life-changing. Whether it's through reselling, digital products, or service-based businesses, there are countless ways to start small and scale fast. In this video, I'll break down the most effective strategies to turn your first $100 into a real, profitable business, step by step. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real, proven methods that work. So, if you're serious about creating financial freedom and making your money work for you, stay locked in, because what you're about to learn could change everything. What business can you start with just $100? You might think it's impossible, but I'm here to tell you, it can be done. With the right plan, strategy, and a little creativity, you can turn a small investment into a real, profitable business. And guess what? You don't have to do it alone. This is just the beginning. If you're serious about starting your own business and want a step-by-step breakdown tailored to your interests, drop a comment below and type #YouTube how to get started hash. Tell me what type of business you're interested in, and I'll help guide you in the right direction. The opportunities are endless, all it takes is action. Now, let's dive into the best business models you can start today with just $100. Let's compare business models, because not all businesses are created equal, especially when you're starting with just $100. The right model can help you maximize profit, minimize risk, and scale quickly, even on a small budget. Some businesses rely on low startup costs and high margins, while others focus on fast cash flow to reinvest and grow. Should you start a service-based business, where you use skills you already have? Or should you invest in reselling, flipping products for a profit? Maybe digital products are the way to go, where you create something once and sell it over and over again. In this section, we're breaking it all down, so you can pick the best strategy to turn your $100 into a profitable, long-term business. Let's dive in. Now that we've chosen the right business model, it's time to take action. Setting up your business the right way from the start is key to long-term success. Whether you're selling physical products, launching a digital service, or diving into reselling, having the right tools and resources can make all the difference. If you need essential business tools, like a high-quality laptop, a professional microphone for content creation, or an affordable shipping scale for reselling, check out the links in the description below for my top Amazon picks to help you get started. And here's a challenge, drop a comment below with #YouTube and let me know what kind of business you're starting. I'll reply with personalized tips and even more resources to help you grow. No more waiting, the time to launch is now. Let's set up your business and turn that $100 into profit. You've been given the blueprint, the strategies, and the tools, but knowledge alone won't make you money. The real game changer? Taking action. It's time to stop planning and start doing. Write down your business goals, create a checklist, and commit to making progress every single day. Need help staying organized? I highly recommend using a business planner. It'll help you track your goals, budget, and action steps. Check out my top Amazon picks in the description below. Here's your challenge, drop #YouTube challenge in the comments what step you're taking today. Let's make it real. The time to start is now. Here's the challenge, you can only use $100, no outside help, no extra funding, just your creativity and hustle. Sounds tough? But some of the most successful businesses started with even less. This is where strategy and smart decision making come in. How will you spend your first $100? Will you invest in inventory, marketing, or essential tools to get started? The key is maximizing every dollar and making smart moves. Drop a comment with #100hustleYouTube hash and tell me how you'd spend your budget. Let's see who can turn their first $100 into the biggest success. Time is ticking. You only have 24 hours to launch this business. That means no more overthinking, no more waiting for the perfect moment, because success rewards action. Right now, you have everything you need to start. The question is, will you take the first step? Set a goal, make your first move, and start building. Drop hashtag 24-hour hustle YouTube hash in the comments if you're ready to commit to this challenge. The clock is running, let's go. Not all businesses work the same. Let's compare different models. You don't need thousands to start a business, just $100 and the right strategy. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions passively by promoting Amazon products. Or, turn your knowledge into ebooks, templates, and printables to make passive income. No inventory? No problem. Dropshipping lets you sell trending products without ever stocking or shipping them yourself. Let's get started. The goal? Make a profit, fast. But here's the truth. Money isn't the problem, mindset is. Let's break it down. Not all businesses work the same. Let's compare different models. You don't need thousands to start, just $100 and the right strategy. Affiliate marketing lets you earn passively by promoting Amazon products. Or, create ebooks and templates for digital income. No inventory? No problem. Dropshipping lets you sell trending products without handling stock. Let's get started. If you want to dive deeper and get step-by-step guidance, consider this book, Dropshipping, Amazon FBA, Affiliate Marketing, 3 books in one. It's packed with strategies to help you start and grow your online business, even with little money. Not all businesses operate the same way. Some require upfront inventory and shipping, while others let you sell without ever touching a product. Some focus on passive income, while others require active involvement. Choosing the right model depends on your time, skills, and budget. In the next section, we'll break down the most profitable business models so you can find the best fit for your goals. Let's dive in. Many people think starting a business requires thousands of dollars, but that's not true. With just $100, you can launch a profitable venture by choosing the right business model. Whether it's affiliate marketing, dropshipping, freelancing, or selling digital products, success comes from strategy, not big investments. In the next section, we'll break down step by step how to start and scale your business, even on a small budget. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to start earning passive income. With platforms like Amazon Associates, you can promote products and earn a commission on every sale, without ever handling inventory. Simply share links through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media, and as people buy, you get paid. The best part? It costs nothing to start, and with the right strategy, your earnings can grow over time. One of the best ways to generate passive income is by turning your knowledge into digital products. You can create ebooks, templates, or printables that people can download instantly, no inventory or shipping required. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to sell. Once your product is listed, you can earn money over and over again without doing extra work. The key is to choose a topic that people are actively searching for. If you have a skill, you can turn it into cash by offering services online. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect freelancers with clients looking for design, writing, programming, and more. Even if you're not a pro, tools like Canva make it easy to create social media graphics, logos, and templates to sell. The best part? You can start today with no upfront investment, just your time and creativity. To maximize your productivity as a freelancer, having the right tools is essential. A high-performance mouse, like the Logitech MX Master 3S, can improve your workflow. Its ergonomic design, customizable buttons, and precision tracking make it a must-have for anyone working from home. Click on the link in the description to grab yours today. Now that you have the right tools to work efficiently, let's talk about finding the right products to sell. Discovering trending and profitable items is the first step to building a successful online business. Finding the right products to sell is the key to success in e-commerce and dropshipping. To discover winning products, research trending items using platforms like Google Trends, TikTok, and Amazon bestsellers. Look for products with high demand but low competition. Niches like tech gadgets, home essentials, and fitness gear often perform well. By choosing the right products and targeting the right audience, you can build a profitable business in no time. Want to sell products without dealing with inventory, storage, or shipping? Dropshipping is the perfect solution. With this business model, you list trending products in your online store. And when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships it directly to them. You never have to handle the products yourself. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and AliExpress make it easy to start. With the right niche and marketing strategy, you can turn dropshipping into a profitable business. Now, the hard part, getting your first customer. Build a strong online presence. Use tools like Canva, Gumroad, and social media to create a professional brand. Marketing is key. Leverage social media, SEO, and ads to drive traffic and attract your target audience. Time is ticking. Marketing campaigns are live. Will the first sale happen soon? Every strategy is in motion. Now it's time to see results. Will the first sale happen? This is the moment of truth. Will this actually work? Let's check back in a few hours. The first sale is in. Success is real, this is just the beginning. Yes, a profit from just a $100 investment. But the real question is, can this be scaled? One sale is just the beginning. Now let's talk about multiplying those results. Momentum is building. Now, it's time to scale and take things to the next level. Reinvest your profit into marketing and expansion so you unlock long-term success. Turning a first success into a full-time income. Let's break it down. Smart reinvestment, ads or better inventory? The next step for bigger profits. Scaling up. Selling on Etsy, Amazon, and TikTok Shop for more reach and revenue. So, can you turn $100 into a real business? Absolutely. The key is to take action, be resourceful, and keep learning. Now, I challenge you to try this. Get ready to dive in deeper, keep learning, keep growing, and take action. The right tools can make all the difference. A reliable laptop helps you stay productive, manage your business, and scale faster. Check out our top pick for the best budget laptop to power your side hustle, link in the description. You did it. Keep pushing forward, keep growing, and success will follow. Success starts with action, keep pushing forward. Will you get tired or stuck? Reach out for help. Automate tasks. Get freelancers to focus on high-value work so you can relax or continue to learn to get greater results. Imagine making money while you sleep. Passive income can make that a reality. Whether it's affiliate marketing, digital products, or automated businesses, the right strategies can set you up for financial freedom. In our next videos, we'll show you step-by-step how to build streams of income that work for you 24/7. Like and comment #YouTube. I am ready now to start my journey to financial independence, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making strategies. Success is all about having the right resources. Whether you're freelancing, running an online business, or automating income streams, having the right tools can make all the difference. Want to see what top entrepreneurs use to stay productive and scale faster? Check out the best business tools in the description below and start optimizing your workflow today. Having the right tools isn't just an advantage, it's a game changer. Whether it's for content creation, marketing, or automating tasks. The right resources help you scale faster and work more efficiently. It will save you time and boost your success. Check out the description and start optimizing today. Success favors those who take action. Whether you're building a side hustle or a full-time business, having the right resources is key. Now that you have the blueprint for success, it's time to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing strategies. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Remember, turning $100 into a business is possible if you stay focused, take smart steps, and use the right tools. What's your next move? Drop a comment below and let us know how you're starting your journey. See you in the next video.